Today, I'm walking through a place that feels like the emerald jewel of the north, resting gracefully at the edge of Gorgan, a forest where ancient trees whisper their secrets, and the breeze carries the scent of damp earth and moss. This is the Naharkhoran Forest, a place that breathes life into the city and reflects the mirror of history. Naharkhoran is one of the rarest forests in the world, nestled right beside the city, so close, in fact, that you can escape Gorgan's bustling bazaar and be under the canopy of oak and hornbeam trees in less than 10 minutes. Part of the ancient Hyrcanian forests, some sections of Naharkhoran date back 40 million years, yes, from the time of the dinosaurs. It's home to jackals, foxes, playful squirrels, and hundreds of bird species. They say kings once dined here, or perhaps it was once called Shamarzat, meaning God's lunch, which is where the name Naharkhoran comes from. Walking down the main Naharkhoran road, the old cobblestones beneath your feet are a relic from the Reza Shah era. Roadside cafes blend the smell of fresh coffee with the scent of forest air. If you listen closely, you'll hear the gentle trickle of the Naharkhoran spring, a melody played by nature itself. But a word of caution, watch out for squirrels. They sometimes dart across the road without warning. Like many urban edge forests, this one bears scars, litter hidden between bushes, left behind by careless tourists. Parts of it cleared for villa construction. Have we forgotten that forests were our first homes? Noise pollution drowning out birdsong. And yet, deeper within, where few have walked, you can still find the sacred silence of nature. If a Naharkhoran tree could speak, what do you think it would say? I give you clean air, don't kill me with your car exhaust. Or maybe, place your hand on my trunk. I want to share a 40-million-year-old secret with you. Forests are living books that breathe. Isn't it time we read them, before we start tearing out their pages? P.S. The nights in Naharkhoran are pure magic. If you're lucky and there's no mist, the starlit sky will leave you enchanted.